if you be beginner barber, this video is for you, but if you be professional, I beg waka dey go. I wan teach you how to ensure say your hairline don straight. So how to check if the hairline wey you don carve already, if it's straight. The principle is like this: if you stand on your right side like this, if you stand on your right side and the customer dey face you like this, you go dey look the left angle of the hairline. Wetin you wan check for the left angle be say shey the left angle shey e straight. If you bend come down, you go come to your left side. When you come to your left side, you wan dey look the right angle of the hairline. You get wetin I dey talk, the right angle of the hairline. So as you dey look the right angle, you wan come confirm now say wetin you see for the left angle. If that left angle bend or e straight, you wan check the right angle too, whether the right angle too bend or e straight. Now wetin you wan notice for there be say once you notice say wetin you see for the left angle when you check am from your right side is different from wetin you see for the right angle when you check am for the left side. Shey you get? You go come automatically know where the issue dey. Now if you wan come know where the issue dey, come back to the front, make you look am from the front. Because you don go check am from both sides, you go automatically know where the issue dey when you come check am from the front. E go dey easier for you to see, because normally if you just dey look am from the front, you fit no see am, but when you don check am from both sides using that principle wey I tell you, you go see am clearly when you come back to the front dey look am. You dey get wetin I dey talk now. So when you come look am now, most of the time the error wey dey there be say one angle fit bend come down, make the other angle bend go up, and now the one wey bend go up, e mean say the one wey bend come down go come meet the one wey don already go up, because the one wey go up no fit come down again. You don already cut the hair. Now the one wey bend come down, you go need shape the hairline. Make you adjust the tilting hand, your hand, the way you take hold your clipper, make you adjust the hand so that e go fit match the other angle wey don straight already. Make I come show you this example now. As you dey see this customer now, the first time wey I barb am, if you see this picture, you go see this one na when e dey inside my green cape. Sabi my green cape? You see am? Na the first time wey I barb am be this. You dey get wetin I dey talk? I come notice say the left angle, shey you get, that left angle e bend come down small. But as you dey look am from front now, this is the front view, like say person dey look am from front, you no go know say something happen. Normally na because say the hairline clean, you no go know say e bend. But if you use the principle wey I tell you, na where you go discover say e bend small be that. You dey get am? This thing wey I dey teach you no be how to carve o, na how to check wetin you don carve. How to carve, I go do that one separately. You dey get wetin I dey talk? That one na another video. But how to check wetin you don carve, because I dey notice this many mistakes. Even some professionals dey make mistake, because normally nobody perfect. Even myself, I dey make the mistake. I fit shape the hairline, make I think say I don shape am finish. Make I make customer come stand up, make I go say, omo, this thing no balance o. I fit just leave am like that, say that one don go, at least e still dey okay. Because normally you no fit do, you no get how you wan take do haircut. You no fit get 100%. Highest wey you fit get na like 99%. E go still remain for one place wey be say you no touch well. Na just normal thing be that. You dey get, even computer sef, you no get 100% accuracy. You dey get mistake sometimes. You dey get, normally normal for you to get some errors sometimes, but the thing be say your error must not be too obvious. If you come to show like people go come dey be like they no shape this hair whether. Na why I dey teach you this principle be that, so that you go fit dey check am, you go fit know whether wetin you don do is straight. So you dey get, if you look this one now, this one wey dey inside the green cape, you go think say e don balance. Normally you go think say e balance. That one now we fit rate am like 92 or 93%. But now look the recent one wey I do for the man, the recent haircut, you go see say this one look like say e balance completely. You dey get? Even though if they measure am, you no get how you wan take barb, they no dey use anything measure am. So you get, na eye we take dey look am. But once you use your eye take gauge am, look am, say this thing balance, and you go know whether e balance abi no balance. But looking at this one, you go see say at least this one don balance around 97 to 98%. E don dey okay. You dey get wetin I dey talk? So as I dey compare the two now, you dey see how the first one, how e take bend. When I don correct am for the second haircut wey I cut for the man, you go see say I adjust am, I ensure say that angle, that left angle, e no bend again. You dey get wetin I dey talk? I ensure say the left angle no bend again. Make the two, make it balance. Na wetin I dey tell you gonna be that. So if na the first time wey you just dey come across my video be this, like and share this video. Anything wey you feel, anything wey you no understand, drop am inside the comment section. I go dey there for you guys. See you on the next one. Peace out.